miaka mitatu kule Japan, usomea udaktari. Stella wangu.
Hello, you're watching Visual TV, and on today's news, 17th May 2025 marks 33 years since Freshly Mwamburi went to welcome his girlfriend Stella at JKIA. In 1992, Freshly Mwamburi released a song composed of a real-life story of heartbreak. In the song, he narrated how his first girlfriend disappointed him despite funding her college expenses all the way to her scholarship in Japan. 17th May 2025 marks 33 years since the release of Stella Wangu. In the previous interview, Mwamburi revealed that he met Stella in 1991 when he went to perform at the Garden Hotel in Machakos. Quoting, "During this time, Stella was studying at the University of Nairobi, but she left for Japan in 1992 to advance her studies. We were in love, and so I expected her to come back and marry me after the studies overseas. I gave the relationship my all, including disposing of my old car to cater for her studies, financial needs while abroad. We were in a constant communication all that through, and I knew she was all mine, and that I would marry her. This Kamba girl was such a beauty," Freshly Mwamburi said. Stella later sent him a message that she had moved on and married. After the turn of events, he moved on and married his wife Nduku. Stella Wangu has over the years grown to become more than just a song. Every 17th of May, Kenyans come together to welcome Stella from abroad. What's your opinion about this news? Let me know in the comment section. And I've been your host, Violence Mugoi. Till next time, bye.